What if you could make your YouTube and Amazon titles, descriptions, keywords, and pinned comments all automatically just using ChatGPT? Well, now you can. In this video, I'll show you how to use my SEO Generator Template, the same one I use every day to speed up my uploads and get better search results. If that sounds like something that you might be interested in, pull up a chair. Let's jump over on the computer. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google Docs, and I will put a link down in the description where you can go to the site that you see right here. Click on Make a Copy, and that will open this up. Basically, all you got to do is fill out the step 1, and then ChatGPT will do the rest of it for you. But we'll go over this real quick. At the time of this writing, I don't have this video uploaded yet, so you see YouTube link coming soon. If you're watching this later, right here, you will see the link to this video you are watching. So basically what this template does, the guide automatically creates your full YouTube and Amazon SEO package, including your titles, description, keyword list, and pinned comment, using only the information you provide in step 1. You don't need any prior experience or setup. Just copy and paste it and post. Now, before we begin, make sure that you have these ready. Your Amazon link, the full product description copied from the Amazon page. We'll go further into that in just a moment. And access to ChatGPT 4 or 5. And the free version works too, but your results may vary. Okay, my product info, fill in the details below. This is all you need to do. ChatGPT will generate the rest automatically. Now here's a quick tip for you. Hold down your Shift and Enter button to move down a space when you're in the ChatGPT screen. If you just hit Enter, ChatGPT will think you're done and it will start processing the information you provided it. So you're not ready yet, so hit Shift and Enter at the same time, and that'll move it down a space, and then you can paste more information in. Okay, now step 1, you want to enter your product name here. Step 2, paste the product link here. Step 3, product description, paste the product's Amazon description here. Now here's another quick tip for you. The more details that you include, the better ChatGPT can write your custom SEO package. Copy everything from the Amazon product page, the title, the About This Item section, and any more product details near the bottom for best results. Now I'll show you how to do this. We're going to do this together. Now, actually, what I'm fixing to show you is something I am really fixing to use when I go to editing my video. Now I'm going to open up a new tab. I'll paste it and go. This is the product I'm using. Now this is exactly how I use it. You don't have to copy that whole thing just yet. Just copy that. Go back here, put this, highlight that, however you want to do it, paste it in there, go to your product link, right up here, click on that, right click, copy, right click, paste, and your description. And this is what really helps the ChatGPT get a better description for your video. Now I'll just go back right here and copy that whole thing, even though I've already put it up here, right there, but that's okay. Go ahead and put it here, paste that. Now what I do, starting like right here, where it says brand, I just left click, drag down, and copy all of that. You can lift off your left click button, your left mouse button, and everything's highlighted, and you can hit copy, or you can right click on it and hit copy. Now you can do right click and paste, or you can do Control V. And see where it says see more product details. Sometimes that'll just take you to the pictures and things, and you'll have to scroll on down. But in this case, it took us all the way down here. I go ahead and, my camera's in the way. I go ahead and copy all that and paste it. Now you can leave all that in there, or you could take out like this information here. You could just backspace that and take that out if you'd like. This over here. Sometimes you'll have a lot more information, but like I said, the more information you can provide ChatGPT, the better your results will be. Now, what you want to do is copy and paste this into ChatGPT. Okay. Import it, highlight, and copy everything from step 1 through the prompt before pasting into ChatGPT. That ensures ChatGPT has all the information it needs to generate your SEO package correctly. I want to create a full YouTube plus Amazon SEO package using the product info I provided above. Please generate YouTube title 60 to 70 characters, real world search phrase, and brand name at the end. If you're uploading your video to Amazon as well, you can use that title that it will create for you. Some of you may not be uploading to Amazon. Some of you may just be uploading to Amazon, but not YouTube. Either way, it will generate the title for you. The full YouTube description with the following format, your hook line, affiliate links. You can go ahead and, after you get it pasted in your description, you can change that. You can put in your affiliate links. Anyway, we're going to want to copy all of this information all the way back up to step 1, right there. Right click and copy. Over here to ChatGPT, you can right click and paste. Scroll down, and this is really where you're going to want to use your shift enter, get you right there. You can do another space if you want to. Now we'll go back to our template. Scroll back down here. Product overview, keyword section, using bullets, why you love it. All this information here, it will generate it all for you. What to expect after you hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a YouTube title, Amazon video title, a formatted description, including your hook and why you love it and all this and that. 500 character keyword list. Sometimes ChatGPT will generate 460 characters, 480, and sometimes it'll generate 512, which in that case, you can go back and tell it that it is how many ever characters over that 500 limit, or you can pick and choose and you can delete one of the keywords to get it back under that 500 limitation that YouTube has. A quick tip, once ChatGPT generates your SEO package, you can copy the YouTube title description directly into the video upload. Use the Amazon video title and description. You won't have an Amazon video description because you can't put video descriptions on the Amazon product page if you're uploading your shoppable video. Paste the keyword list and your pinned comment will go over on the video itself on YouTube. And right here is what you'll want to copy and paste. You don't necessarily have to copy this part, just right here. To right there. Copy. Go back to ChatGPT. Control V. And then you can just hit enter. Let it do its thing. There's your YouTube title, Amazon title, your YouTube description, the word hook, affiliate links right here, disclosure. I would take all that out. Product overview. You can take that out. And if you do have a playlist, you can put your playlist link right there. And here's all your keywords. Yeah, just right click on it and copy it. When you get your video uploaded, you can open the video up in YouTube and click on your comment section and paste this in there. You'll want to be sure to put your affiliate links in there. And you can also add in your playlist link if you have one of those. You put that right down below this. And make sure you click the little three dots and make it say pinned comment so it stays up at the top of your comment section. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or suggestions, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section down below, and I will try to answer it the best I can. And if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would very much appreciate that. Hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day or night, whichever it is. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.